What's going on, guys, and welcome to another episode of Quells World. I'm your host, Mr. JDM Quells. I've already introduced you guys to the motor. Now it's time to introduce you guys to the shell. I got some things to do to get this shell ready, and I'm here with my buddy Danny. He's going to be helping me out, or probably doing most of the work. So let's get this episode rolling and introduce you guys to my shell. So this is my shell. Pretty much got to get this car back on all fours again. What are we working on today, Danny?
Putting the knuckles in, tightening up the shock fork, and that's about it.
Yeah, so we got to get this car ready to get the K put in, to send it out to Fashion One's Automotive to have the bay done. The bay doesn't look like much now, but these guys are really good at what they do. So the next thing after that is to get this interior. Well, they'll be doing the interior as well. Can't really see like that. I'll try to throw some light on here. So getting this interior painted, getting it prepped for the fuel cell for the all-wheel drive setup. My dash is going to be redone as well. You guys got to stay tuned for that. That's about it. So we're gonna get this car, get it ready for fucking summer 19, because it's been a long time and I'm really excited to have this car back out again. Alright guys, so we just got finished putting the knuckles on in the car and finishing up some things in the engine bay. So knuckles are back in. We spruced up some things inside the engine bay.
Expose some dirty stuff too.
Yeah, expose some dirt, some dirt and grime, but like I said, this bay will be getting done, man. Fashion Ones is really good at their job, so I can't wait to get this car back from them. I can't wait to drop this car off, but look at it now, because it's not gonna look like this in the next month or two. So I took out the air canister, took out the evap system, all the AC lines, took out the power steering pump, fluids, reservoir, and what else did we do?
We just gotta pop cruise control off from the inside, that's it.
Oh yeah, pop off the cruise control for the inside, and then the car will be ready to put back on all fours. We gotta put the hood and the front bumper back on, and then the car will be ready to be towed. Alright guys, thank you for watching another episode. Come check out the car. We got everything wrapped up. We put the front bumper back on. We put the hood back on, so that way when it's going to get towed, there's no issues. I don't have to hear no bullshit. Like I said, we cleaned the bay up, did some things, pretty much make the car look like a car again, until we can get this thing towed over to my man's Fashion One Automotive. So the car, a little bit of history about it. So the car is actually originally Vogue silver. I repainted it over by my buddies at AWD Auto Body. They repainted the car silver lunar metallic from the 2019 Honda Civic, or 2018 Honda Civic at that time. The bay is Vogue silver and the interior is still Vogue silver. So I'm trying to get the car to pretty much be uniform all around. Did another couple mods. I have some Kevlar and some pictures I'll show you guys. So I'm ready to wrap this car up. I can't wait to come out this season. You guys see the motor, you guys see the shell. Now it's time to put them together and make this thing one big happy family. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate all the support. Have a good day.